Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super cool. How to use Leonardo AI to create amazing image-to-image transformations. If you've ever wanted to take a picture and turn it into something totally unique, this is for you. It's easy, fun, and you don't need to be an artist. Let's get started. Step 1. What is image-to-image in Leonardo AI? First, let's talk about what image-to-image means. Imagine you have a photo or a sketch, and you want to transform it into a completely new style or design. With Leonardo AI, you can upload an image, tell the AI what changes you want. It creates a stunning new version for you. It's like giving your image a magical makeover. Step 2. Signing up and getting started. Head over to leonardo.ai and sign up. It's free. Once you're in, look for the image-to-image feature on the dashboard. This tool is specifically designed to transform your images into something new and exciting. Step 3. Uploading your base image. Now click on Upload Image and choose your base image. For example, I'll upload a simple drawing of a tree. Don't worry if your image isn't perfect. The AI will work its magic. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see options to describe what you want to create. Step 4. Adding instructions for transformation. Here's the fun part. In the description box, type what you want your image to look like. I'll type, make this tree look futuristic with glowing neon lights. You can be as creative as you want. Add details, styles, or colors. Step 5. Generating the new image. Once you've added your instructions, hit generate. In just a few seconds, Leonardo AI creates a brand new version of your image. Look at this. My simple tweaking and downloading. If you're not happy with the first result, don't worry. You can tweak the description or settings and generate another version. Once you're satisfied, just click download to save your masterpiece. And that's how you use Leonardo AI's image-to-image tool. It's perfect for creating unique artwork, enhancing photos, or adding a personal touch to your projects. If you try this out, share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun AI tutorials. See you next time. Thanks for watching.